Hello, in this video we will learn digital hierarchy focusing on T1 and E1 systems. Digital signal service. Telephone companies use time division multiplexing or TDM to combine multiple voice and digital channels. This implementation is organized into an hierarchy called the digital signal or DS service. The basic building block of this hierarchy is DS0. Let us now understand the different DS levels. DS0, a single digital channel having data rate 64 kbps and it represents one voice channel. DS0 is not sold directly as a service but it is the fundamental for all the higher level services. DS1, its data rate is approx 1.5 Mbps and it multiplexes 24 DS0's channel with overhead. It can be used either as one high-speed digital link or 24 individual voice channels. DS2. Data rate is approx 6.3 Mbps and it multiplexes 4 DS1 channels and equivalent to 96 DS0 channels. DS3. Its data rate is approx 44.3 Mbps and it multiplexes 7 DS2 lines and equivalent to 28 DS1 lines. This shows the hierarchical nature of the DS systems. Now an important distinction must be made. DS0, DS1, DS2 are services, while T1, T2, T3 and T4 are the physical transmission line. So DS decides the data rate while T line defines how the data is physically carried. Although T lines are digital, they can still carry analog voice signals. This is done by sampling the analog voice signal, converting it into digital form, and multiplexing it using TDM. This allows 24 separate voice calls to be carried over a single T1 line. Let us now understand how a T1 frame is formed. We have 24 channels, and each channel has 8 bit and 1 framing bit for synchronization. By multiplying channels with bit and adding framing bit, we will get bits per frame. For data rate, our sampling rate is 8000 frames per second. This is because voice signals are sampled at 8 kHz. We will multiply bits per frame with frames per second and we will get the standard T1 data rate. E-line. European countries uses a similar system called E-lines. This concept is same as T-lines, but the capacities are different. For E1, the data rate is 2.048 Mbps with 30 voice channels. It is equivalent to American T1 line. E2 has data rate of approx 8.4 Mbps. It multiplexes 4 E1 lines and supports 120 voice channels, while E3 has data rate of approx 34.3 Mbps. It multiplexes 4 E2 lines and supports 480 voice channels. To conclude this hierarchy, DS0 is the basic unit with 64 kbps. Higher levels are created by multiplexing lower levels. T lines are used in America, E lines are used in Europe. Both systems are conceptually identical but differ in capacity and structures.